Wolves will only have one mate in their lives, and if one unfortunately dies, the other will be left alone for the rest of their lives. When the cubs are born, their eyes are a beautiful ruby blue color. When they are 9 months old, they will turn into the yellow color we know. When wolves howl in the wild, they are just sending messages to each other. There is a symbiotic relationship between crows and wolves. Crows will adopt young wolves and play with them as they grow up. The crows will follow them and guide them to the carcass and share the food. The crows' loud calls also warn the wolves of danger, giving them time to escape. In return, the wolves allow the crows to remove leftovers from their prey and will also tear up the carrion for the crows to help make it easier for them to eat.